Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working hard for the development of your speaking and listening skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I will read a very beautiful and well-learned story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You'll know the name and the moral at the end. Let's start. The story. As a wolf was lapping at the head of a running brook, he spied a lamb gently paddling his feet some distance down the stream. There's my supper, thought the wolf, but I will have to find some excuse for attacking such a harmless creature. So he shouted down at the lamb, "How dare you stir up the water I am drinking and make it muddy?" "But you must be mistaken," bleated the lamb. "How can I be spoiling your water, since it runs from you to me, not from me to you?" "Don't argue," snapped the wolf. "I know you. You are the one who was saying those ugly things about me behind my back a year ago." "Oh, sir," replied the lamb, trembling, "a year ago I was not even born." "Well," snarled the wolf, "if it was not you, then it was your father, and that amounts to the same thing. Besides, I am not going to have you argue me out of my supper." Without another word, he fell upon the helpless lamb and tore her to pieces. The name of the story: The Wolf and the Lamb, and the moral: any excuse will serve a tyrant.